In this video, we will show you how to make payment to supplier with the DBS Fast payment feature. Firstly, make sure the two main information in the supplier details are added: the supplier's bank and its bank account number. Click to choose the supplier bank from the selection list. Enter the bank account number in the field and click Save. To make payment to your supplier, click on View to go to the supplier bill. Click on Pay with DBS Fast button. Click on Purpose of Payment, choose relevant option. You may choose to notify your supplier via email. Enter the email address in the email field. To proceed, click on Pay button. You will be prompted to approve or reject the payment in DBS Ideal portal. Transaction status will show DBS Fast transaction pending until it is approved. If you have approved the payment in DBS Ideal, you will receive a notification that the payment has been approved and paid. In the Purchases module screen, you will see the payment status shows DBS Fast transaction approved.